The way that we use the M2M products that we get from Adey are really simple. It's for our clients to be able to measure, monitor and then manage their energy usage, particularly with lighting and heating.
We implement large building management projects and we use M2M to both manage the energy solutions and also to do remote engineering for sites across the country. Cost-effective solutions are always important for a business. We need to grow our business, we need to have good products at the right prices, and that is what we feel that we've got by utilising the range of products that Adey can offer us.
We're in the business of developing bespoke products for a specialist organisation, i.e. Network Rail and the rail industry. So when we have an idea or the customer comes to us with a specialist requirement, a bespoke requirement, Adey are happy to listen to us, understand the requirement and provide the technical support and development that we need. M2M is quite important to us because the majority of our customers require remote access to their systems, where the majority of the time there's no infrastructure such as standard telecoms. So we have to use the mobile networks to transmit video and alarms and other information. The changes in technology with regard M2M and specifically remote video have been quite extensive over the last few years, and Adey have always been at the forefront of that development. So Adey have come to us and with ideas, we've gone to them with ideas, and we've worked together to develop products that get the best out of the hardware.
So one of the things that Adey Electronics was really important to them when selecting a supplier was to be able to have reliable communications, and they wanted to maximise the opportunity to use something like the 4G networks that were emerging in the UK. So they selected the B&B product in terms of the communications device. However, working with somebody like Adey has enabled them to customise that product to be able to automate their business much more effectively. So in the parameter security, for example, what Adey have enabled is that Quattro can now see alarms being triggered remotely, and Quattro can provide a much better service to their customers as a result of that.
A recent project that we've been working on is BP4 down in Canary Wharf in London, and we worked with one of the UK's leading BMS organisations, and they had two challenges that they were facing. It's a large multi-tenanted building, and they wanted to fibre this building, which would have been really very, very costly. And the second issue was the specifications in the switches. They had to be 24 volt AC, and there are not that many of those on the market. We took those specifications to Adey, and using their pre-sales teams, they identified the appropriate router, and also the other great thing with that router that they identified was it could run over copper, which meant that the clients could save lots of budget as well. So instead of using fibre, which is expensive, we could get away with using copper instead.
We focus on what the customer needs by listening to them. We sit down with them before a project starts and go through their requirements, their concerns, their budgets, and we will design a system and a solution that will work to achieve all of their goals. So it's a case of listening to exactly what they need and using our technical expertise and our commercial experience to provide them with a solution that's sufficient.